Hello beautiful people, in today's video we are going to see on how we can claim this airdrop. This airdrop can make you about $100 or even more money, so I think you should stick to the end of this video. So Kwiktrust is a next generation file management, okay, that is hosted on the blockchain, but on the blockchain that it is hosted is on Polygon blockchain, and they have about 3 million KTS token airdropping to all the whole people that will be doing just simple tasks. So when you are doing this simple task, you get your 50 KTS token that is worth about $2. And when you get to refer the link, or by sharing your referral link to your friends for them to join, each referral gets you about 10 KTS that is worth about 5 cents. So you can make more money when you refer more people. So we are going to claim the airdrop right now, okay? But first of all, make sure you create an account at Kwiktrust, okay? I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on how you can do this. And secondly, we are going to follow Kwiktrust and their airdrop account on Twitter. When we get on Twitter, we have to retweet the tweet, okay? Then step 4, then we have to join the Kwiktrust Telegram group and airdrop.io Telegram channel. Okay, step 5, we have to fill out the below exclusive airdrop form with our details. This is where they will ask us for our our address where they will send the token to, okay? And number 6, we are going to the first 60 participants will get 50 KTS each. 7, also get 10 KTS for each referral, as I said. 8, check your referral balance using the form below, which I will show you. 9, the rewards will be distributed on March 31st, so we still have time. 10, users who sign up on Kwiktrust may get a chance to win 250 Amazon gift card. So let's go, guys. So enter your name, make sure you enter everything correctly, okay? Make sure you enter your email address, password, confirm it, and here we are. So you make sure you accept the terms of service, okay, and click on next. Signed up successfully. The last but not the least is this: they will ask you to confirm your email address, and this is very important, so I will try to confirm mine right now. So you try your best to confirm it as soon as possible, and after that you click on next. Okay, right here you can see how it looks. Okay, this is a place where you can store your file. They have a free they have a free account here where you can upload many documentations and so many other stuff. What I think about this particular Kwiktrust is that they aren't supposed to be charging so high, okay? I feel that the rate is so high, okay, and people may not kind of want to use this service, okay? So because there's so much, okay, it's supposed to be lower because everything about the blockchain is usually kind of unique. So the next step will be to follow them on their Twitter account, okay, and after that we will now retweet one of their posts, okay? So get on your Twitter account, make sure you have a Twitter account, okay? So now we have to follow. We're on Twitter right now, okay? Make sure you follow them, and after doing that, then let's find the account here, retweet, done. So let's go back to airdrop.io. So if you come on here, what you need to do next is to make sure you follow their airdrop account, okay? Their airdrop account is airdrop a lot, okay? I couldn't open it because of bad signal, so make sure you follow airdrop a lot on Twitter. Next step will be to join their Telegram group right here, I mean Kwiktrust. We've joined right now. Let's get back on, and the next step will be to join airdrop.io Telegram channel. I'll provide the link to this page for you guys, okay, in the description. I'm sorry. So we have to open it right now, okay? You click right here. So we click on it now, okay? So we've joined as well. So you have to join in order for you to receive these airdrops, because if you don't follow, you may not be opportune to get anyone. So let's come on the airdrop form so we can fill out the form. So right here you put in your email address, put in your Telegram username which you used in joining the groups. Okay, make sure you put in your Twitter account username. Okay, then now we have to find the ERC20. Get on your Trust wallet right now, click up there. When you click up there right here, okay, so now we have to look for the ERC20. So we type matic, so we have to scroll and look for it. If you see, you let me know. Okay, okay, right there. So now you have to click on receive. So if you click on receive, then you copy the address right there. Then you have to go pull the address right back on that place we saw ERC20. Okay, so that's what you just need to do. Just wait, I'm going to do that right now for you, so you see yourself. Here we are. So make sure you put in the paste it right there. Okay, after you're done doing that, make sure you accept the terms and condition or service. Okay, after you're done doing that, then make sure you click I'm not a robot, then click on join airdrop. So that's how you have to do it. Please, if you like this kind of video and you're finding value and you want more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe. Before you go, okay, let's do a quick math. So if you're getting 5 cents from this referral, okay, you have to multiply that by 200. Okay, so when you get about 200 people on that referral, you're making about $100. That's free money. Okay, so imagine how much you can make when more people use your referral code to join, so you can make more money, right? So this is a good one. You can use this to buy your first crypto if you haven't already gotten one. So that's it, and that's how we roll. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell. When you turn on the bell notification, you are going to see something like all. Click on all to make sure that you get all notifications from us. See you again.